Hi, this is Maslea. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how you're supposed to know when to use cosine rule. When to use cosine rule. First and foremost, we need to acknowledge and appreciate that cosine rule, it is the rule which is applied when we are dealing with a non-right-angled triangle. In the previous video, I explained to say if you have a non-right-angled triangle, angles are denoted by capital letters and sides are denoted by small letters. So using the same prerequisite knowledge, let's apply it under cosine rule. So I'm going to explain two conditions that are necessary for you to know when you are supposed to use cosine rule. Remember, you need to have that ability of identifying if you're supposed to use a sine rule or a cosine rule. However, with this video, I'll explain the two conditions which are necessary for you to know that this is a cosine rule concept. The first condition is when two sides and the included angle are given. Okay? So this condition is saying when you have two sides which are given to you and the included side. Remember that when two lines meet, they form an angle. The angle which is being formed, it's the one we are referring to as an included angle. So for example, if you have been given AB to be, for example, 7, and then this you have 6. Okay? Remember that this is angle A, and then this is small letter A, this is small letter C, this is small letter B. So this is what we discussed on the previous video. Okay? So now, if you have been given C to be 7 and then A to be 6. So the length C and A, they are meeting at B. So this B is the one we are referring to be an included angle. So if you have been also given an included angle to be, for example, a 60 degrees, then just know that this is a cosine rule concept. Okay? So if you have been given two sides and an included angle, then the question will be calculate the side of B. Then the question will be calculate the side of B, where you are required to use these three formulas here. Okay? So meaning that you need to know which formula you are supposed to use in any condition given, provided is two sides given to you and an included angle. So now, if you are looking for the value of B, the formula you are supposed to use is B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cos B. Remember, this is a capital letter B, which is angle B. However, if I can erase 7 and 6, remember this is C, and then I'll put 10 here, and then I'll put 9 there. So meaning that the included angle, it is angle C, which is, for example, I'll write a 50 degrees, okay? So in this question, we'll be required to calculate the side C, which is the AB, okay? So in this regard, we use this formula, which says C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. So we need to enjoy this condition. This condition is purely saying to say we will use cosine rule when you have been given two sides and an included angle. Now let's dive in to the second condition. The second condition, which says when all the three sides are given, then we need to know that it's a cosine rule. When all the three sides are given, then we need to know that this is a cosine rule. For example, we have triangle ABC, and then we have been given this to be 7, we have 6 and 8. So in this example, or in this triangle, we have AB, which is 7, for example, 7 kilometer, 6 kilometer, 8 kilometer. So in this triangle, all the three sides have been given. Then we need to appreciate to say this is a cosine rule. So if this condition has been satisfied, what formulas are you supposed to use? These are the formulas that you're supposed to use. I've only written two. However, we need to acknowledge to say when all the three sides have been given, then you're supposed to calculate an angle. When only two sides and included angle have been given, then we're calculating a side. But if at all the three sides have been given, then we are calculating an angle. So if at all the question it says calculate angle A, so this is the formula which you are supposed to use to say cos A is equal to B squared plus C squared minus A squared over 2BC. If at all it is cos B, we use the formula cos B is equal to A squared plus C squared minus B squared over 2AC. If at all it is cos C, we say cos C is equal to A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB, like that. So this is the formula for cos B. All in all, in this video, I've summarized the two conditions which are necessary for you to know if you're supposed to use a cosine rule. The first condition, if two sides and an included angle have been given to you, then it's a cosine rule. The second condition, if all the three sides have been given, then you're supposed to know that it is a cosine rule. Thank you for watching this video.
Mr. Matsilea, Mr. Matsilea, Mr. Matsilea, oh, Mr. Matsilea, Mr. Matsilea, Mr. Matsilea, Mr. Matsilea, oh, Mr. Matsilea.